Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "On the day of resurrection, Allah Almighty will say, O Adam, He will submit, O Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, at your service and pleasure. So a voice will come that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu orders you to separate the doomed to hell out of your progeny. He will submit, O Lord, how many should I dispatch to hell? It will be commanded, 999 out of each 1,000, whereupon the pregnant will undergo miscarriage. The children will grow old, and you will see the people as they are intoxicated, and they will not be drunk. But the torment of Allah is severe. It gave the companions a shock, and the color of their faces changed." The Prophet ﷺ then said, 999 will be out of Gog Magog, and one will be out of you to enter hell. He ﷺ then said, "You are among the people as a black hair on the side of white bull, or a white hair on the side of a black bull. I hope you will make the 1/4 of the inhabitants of paradise." So we shouted, "Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is the greatest," in ecstasy. He ﷺ then said, "You will be 1/3 of the inhabitants of paradise." Whereupon we again shouted, "Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is the greatest." He ﷺ then said, "You will make the half of the inhabitants of paradise." Whereupon we again shouted, "Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is the greatest." Abu Usama has reported from Amash, "You will see people as they are drunk, and they will not be drunk," and said, 999 out of each 1,000. Jarir, Isa bin Yunus and Abu Muawiyah said, "They are drunk and they will not be drunk." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4741.